Hi, I'm Nicole, and for this week's Marketing Minute video, I'll be walking you step by step on how to set up a link building campaign. So first off, what is link building? In the field of search engine optimization, or SEO, link building describes actions taken to increasing the number and quality of inbound links to a web page. This is done with the goal of increasing the search engine rankings of that website. Factor 1, choosing the right keyword. The first step is to determine which keywords you want your site to rank for. Be sure that the keywords you are targeting are the result of proper keyword research and are being searched by your site visitors. Factor 2, having the right content. This means that you have done proper on-page optimization for this page so that the page will also fit into the search engine results pages, or SERPs, it is trying to occupy. There is no hard and fast rule on this. Many SERPs are mixed with blog posts, home pages, and service pages. Factor 3, keyword difficulty. Building links to a page for a keyword that is too difficult to rank for will be a serious waste of effort. You have to be sure that the page you're building links to is actually capable of ranking for the keywords you're after. This is determined by the amount of links it will take, along with the page and domain authority of potential competitors. And that's it for this Marketing Minute video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Bye!